Hey designers, ready to speed up your design process and take your creativity to the next level? Well, you're in luck because Canva's been on a roll and 2024 has brought some seriously cool updates that are about to change the game. So, whether you're a Canva pro or just getting started, stick around because we're about to dive into the top 10 new features that will level up your design experience. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got something truly revolutionary, Canva's AI-powered magic. That is, Magic Studio. Imagine having a personal design assistant at your fingertips. With Magic Design, you just upload an image or type in some text, and Canva's AI generates multiple design options in seconds. Whether you're pressed for time or just need some layout inspiration, this feature is a total game changer. The second is enhanced text to image. Canva has seriously upgraded its text to image feature. Now, you can create detailed and realistic images from simple text prompts. Need a unique illustration or a stunning background? Just type it out and let Canva do the magic. But Canva isn't stopping at just graphic design. Let's talk about Canva Create Docs. Canva's expanded into a full-blown collaborative workspace where teams can create documents, presentations, and even whiteboards. Next, we have real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same document at once, making this a powerful tool for remote teams and projects. Say goodbye to endless email threads and hello to streamlined collaborations. The fifth is versatile formatting. With a wide range of formatting options, you can create anything from simple text documents to visually stunning reports. And since you can add design elements directly into your docs, it's never been easier to keep things creative and engaging. Now, let's talk about the improved brand kit. Managing your brand assets just got a whole lot easier. The brand kit now includes automatic color theme generation and font suggestions, saving you valuable time. This update is perfect for keeping your designs consistent and on brand with minimal effort. Next, we have expanded template library. Canva's template library has exploded in 2024, offering a vast collection of designs for just about anything you can think of. Social media, marketing, presentations, you name it. And of course, you can easily customize them to fit your brand's vibe. Now, let's get ready to up your video editing game. Canva's video editing capabilities have been seriously enhanced with new features and effects. Think about improved timeline editing, advanced text animations, and a wider range of transitions. Whether you're making a quick reel or a full-on promo video, Canva's got you covered. Ninth is Canva for Education, where education gets a boost too. Canva is continuing its commitment to education by offering free plans for teachers and students. Plus, they've packed in a ton of educational resources and templates to help make learning and teaching more engaging. And finally, let's talk about performance optimization. Canva has been hard at work optimizing the platform, which means faster load times and an all-around smoother experience. It's all about making sure you can focus on your creativity without any tech hiccups. Now, here are some quick tips to help you make the most of Canva's latest updates. Experiment with AI-powered magic. Don't be afraid to try out different prompts and uploads. You never know what unique design ideas might pop up. Streamline team projects. Use Canva Create Docs for smoother collaboration and communication with your team. Customize templates. Canva's templates are awesome, but don't forget to tweak them to match your brand's identity and style. Dive into video editing. Make the most of Canva's new video features to create engaging visual content that stands out. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Canva's blog and social media for the latest updates and tips to keep your designs fresh and on point. And that's a wrap on the top 10 new updates in Canva Create 2024. From AI-powered tools to improved collaboration and beyond, Canva is clearly committed to making our design lives easier and more creative. So what feature are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment below and let us know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more design tricks and tips. Until next time, happy designing!